In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror cap on this Chevy Silverado. This process will only apply to the factory non-toe style mirrors, so these right here. The process is the same on both sides, so let's get started. I folded the mirror in just so you can see what's happening a little bit better. Now if your mirror cap is already broken, it's most likely not even here, or it's very easily removable. In my case, it's still good, but I'm going to show you how to replace it. So I'm going to take a trim tool, stick it in here, and just try to pry it out, basically, is what you're trying to do. It has clips that go all around it that will lock it in. And then once you have that pried out like that, continue with the trim tool going around it to lift it out from underneath this outer bezel. Pry it out from the back side. Okay, there it is. Take your new mirror cap, and if you want it painted, go ahead and have it painted, or just simply slide it over like this. It has a bunch of tabs that it needs to line up with, and on the top here it needs to slide underneath this outer bezel, so make sure that happens, otherwise it won't clip in all the way, and just press it on. Give it a couple taps, make sure it's lined up, and there you have it. That's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.